What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I finally am at a point where I got both of these mic in. So you can see right here, you're listening through the DJI Mic, which I have been using for the past couple of months now. It's been fantastic. I love it. The whole system is amazing. I can swap that to my iPhone if I need to, and the sound just crystal clear. Now, I just got in the wireless Go 2 from Rode. As you can see here, a lot of people love this thing as well, and so I went ahead and bought it. And today we are going to go through a sound test. I'm not going to even talk about, like, you know, how it can connect to the iPhone or not, or how bigger it is, as you can see on my shirt right here, or how the DJI Mic has a magnet to it, which is, to me, is just a game changer. I can put it anywhere on my shirt rather than trying to clip it now. Little things like that. I'm not gonna go through that, okay? Just purely sound test right here for people who actually really care about the sound, okay? So that's what we're gonna do today. As you have been listening to the DJI Mic, that's what it literally sounds like in every one of my video when I'm out here shooting. I have a fountain over here that's actually really, really loud. It's good. Well, loud as in if I use another mic, but it's probably pretty minimal at this point if you're listening to it. I'm going to be quiet real quick so you can hear it. Not sure you can hear that or not, but most of the time after I shoot out here and I go back in, I'm like, wow, I can barely hear the fountain. So the DJI Mic does a really good job at blocking out a bunch of other sound, which the reason why I never really transitioned over to this kind of mic, wireless mic, back in the days, 6 months ago, and I keep using a shotgun mic because that's what I was trying to do, was block out a bunch of other sound and only focus on my voice. But so far, this DJI Mic has worked out great for me. So what I'm going to do also is I'm going to turn on some music just right over here to my left. I'm just going to turn on a little music, and at the same time we're just going to talk and also test out the Rode mic. Rode mic's coming up. Hold on, let me turn on some music real quick. So half volumes right next to me here is a Bose. It's going to get pretty loud, but I just wanted to kind of talk through it. There you go, you can hear the music now. Anyway, so yeah, this mic right here has been fantastic for me, and the magnet system is great. I know I said I wasn't gonna get into that, but since we have, you know, background music right here, I'm just trying to keep the conversation going so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like when I'm just standing here talking with music, with the loud fountain and things like that. Anyway, the magnetic system, really good. I love it. Okay, so now let's swap over to the Rode mic. Let me see if I can swap without turning off the camera. It's because I'm too lazy. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right, put it in your back. Okay, anyway, so now let's swap over to the Rode mic. Well, I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? The water fountain is still going, so I'm going to step back real quick and just talk. I actually haven't tested this thing out yet. I just barely got it yesterday, opened it up, and then charged it. That's all I did. I haven't even did a sound test on this one yet, so I don't know how it sounds. Hopefully it turns out good. I plan to keep both mic, by the way, just because I like these wireless mic. I think I have a lot of use for the wireless mic. Maybe I can attach like a boom mic to this. I don't know, but that's what I was planning to do. Let me turn on my music over here too. So anyway, yeah, I plan to get like a shotgun mic and then wirelessly connect the Rode to it, and yeah, that's what I was gonna do, just to see if I can get some directional mic, but wirelessly, right? At least that was my game plan. Okay, so there you go. That's the test right there with the Rode mic. What do you guys think? I honestly don't know yet, but I want to go in and edit this thing and listen to it myself. I think both mics are going to be great because I have heard some other like live streamers and also YouTubers use the Rode mic, and I think it's fantastic. So I don't think it's going to be a problem here unless I hooked up something wrong. Okay, so next up, what I want to do is I actually want to take this mic and walk back. There's an airplane flying by. I'm not sure if you can hear that or not, but I'm going to walk back and see if it can reach my fence. I'm turning around just so that you guys can kind of get some radio interference if there are some. But yeah, I'm all over here to my fence. How do I sound? I don't know. This range should be pretty good. I don't think it can handle me going all the way down to the pond, but it should be pretty good because that's really the application for this, is that you can plug in like even a better mic to this and have it wirelessly transmitted. So anyhow, now let's do a range test for the DJI mic, okay? Okay, so there you go. DJI mic is plugged in now. I'm glad I don't have to turn off the video. So yeah, DJI mic's plugged in now, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk back this way. Same thing here. I'm going to turn my back just so that you guys can see the radio interference, because it's easy to test this kind of stuff whenever it's directly, I guess, directly connected. What's the word? I don't know what the word is. Anyway, pretty far back here with the DJI mic. This is a test with the DJI mic, and the fountain is still going strong back there. Whew, that thing is loud. You know, when I moved into this house, I didn't realize how much of an issue that was until I started filming. Anyhow, so right there, that's range test for the DJI mic. I think they should perform pretty well from what I've heard. Anyway guys, that's it for me right there. I'm out. Bye-bye.